Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. Welcome to another vlog. Today we will do another unboxing, and this time it will be from Figs. Yes, another box from the Figs, guys. Actually, this one is a present for me last holiday, but I just received it recently. I'm excited to unbox it and share it with you. So yes, let's do it together. I just want to remind you, don't forget to click the link in the description below if you are interested to get or buy some Figs products. Got the link so you will get $20. All right. Also, don't forget to subscribe in my channel. All right, guys, let's do this. All right. Oh. So there's a box, guys, inside this huge box, and it also comes with this sticker, this paper, and another sticker. This sticker says #shifting. So if you're doing your shifts, you are working as a healthcare worker like me, so you are shifting. That's how I understand it. So #shifting, yes. And since this one is a present from my family, this is not sponsored, guys. This vlog is not sponsored by Figs, but I just want to share it with you, to those of you who wants to buy some products from them, what to get, what to expect, and all that. All right. So this sticker is included in the box just in case I want to return it because I did not like the present or it's because it doesn't fit, it's not the right size, and all that. All right, so that's that, guys. So I think I can do a return for free. And this one is the information of the order. It says, Figs, thank you for choosing Figs. If you have a question, email us, and this and that, and also the order number, the description of the order, and what you need to know to make a return or exchange. It says it's easy and it has only 4 simple steps. All right, so I'll take a picture of that and I will post it here. All right, so that's that. All right, guys, let's move on to this one. This box looks so nice, right? So it says Figs and New Balance. I'm sure some of you already have an idea what's inside just by reading New Balance. That means it's a collaboration of Figs with New Balance. All right, let's check it out. All right, guys, you ready? There it is, guys. It's another pair of shoes, and this time it's from New Balance and Figs, or Figs in collaboration with New Balance, or New Balance in collaboration with Figs. It's up to you. However you want to say it is right. Okay, so let's take out the other one. So guys, that's the shoes. Look at the color, it's so cute. I actually thought that these are green, guys, but it's actually yellow, which I really don't mind. So it's black, gray, and yellow. And in here, in the shoelace, I just noticed that this one also has a yellow spot. So is this one. So I guess I don't know if you can see it. So I guess that's a style. Let me see. Oh, it's actually the logo of New Balance. Hold on, I'll move it closer. Oops, kind of blurry. You know what, guys? I'll take a picture of it and post it here. All right, so that's that. So these shoes, guys, I'm actually size 7, but this one is 7.5. Why? Because it says here in the details and fit, this New Balance 996, that's the number of the model, guys. It runs small, so we recommend ordering a full size up. But even though I'm size 7, and instead of them getting a 8, they decided to order size 7.5 for me, which is fine. All right, so I will also try this, guys, later after this review, and I will share it with you. Okay, the try on of the new figs in collaboration with New Balance 996. All right, so you probably noticed that too, guys, that it's also yellow, right? And it has a logo of New Balance in here. You see it's black with specks. As you notice, it comes with extra shoelaces. So there's white shoelaces and black shoelaces. And it says here it comes with 2 sets of custom water repellent figs laces. I don't know how true it is, guys. So to those of you who already have this kind of shoes, let me know if it's really water repellent. All right, so the material of this shoes, guys, is no-buck leather, ripstop, and premium suede materials, and it has a durable rubber outsole for traction. And this kind of shoes, guys, they are saying that it has antimicrobial insole and interior lining for anti-odor protection. So for me, that's a plus. You know, imagine using your shoes for your 8-hour shift, right? And then that shoes is comfortable, and at the same time it's anti-odor and antimicrobial. So that's very, very good. It says here inside, guys, figs New Balance, right? Here, I'll move it closer so you can see it. And in here, it also says figs New Balance. Yeah, with that logo of figs, guys. And for the fabric and care of this shoes, guys, it says do not machine wash or dry. Clean outside with cool water and mild detergent. Remove insert and air dry. Never exposed to hot vehicles. Well, if you're driving, it's probably okay because, you know, you're just driving, right? But it says here, do not expose to hot vehicles. I don't know what it means. If you do, guys, please comment down below. Help me and try and understand that. Do not expose it to hot vehicles. Doesn't mean you cannot drive with the shoes or it's okay. All right, anyhow, let's see if I can really remove the insole. Oh, yes. There, guys. Maybe I have to remove this one first. Make it easier, right? Okay, so there it is, guys. That's the insole, and that's how the shoe looks like without it. This pair of shoes, guys, is so lightweight, and it has a flexible C-cap underfooting cushion. The width of this is B standard. All right, it looks a bit narrow for me though, guys. What do you think? One more thing, guys, it says that this is durable water repellency finish on upper material. So it's supposed to feel.
always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light.
Alright guys, so that's it for our unboxing today. Thank you for being with me. Please don't forget to comment down below. Stay safe, stay well, stay happy. Till next time. Bye!